When it comes to boosting your home's value, homeowners in Birmingham often think of remodeling kitchens or upgrading bathrooms. But one of the most overlooked improvements that directly affects comfort, energy efficiency, and property worth is proper window installation. Whether you're replacing aging frames or upgrading to energy-efficient models, the way your windows are installed makes all the difference in how your home performs and how it's valued. Energy efficiency and cost savings. Birmingham's climate brings humid summers and chilly winters, which means your windows play a crucial role in maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures. Poorly installed windows often leave small gaps or misalignments that allow air leaks, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Over time, this drives up energy bills and diminishes your home's efficiency rating. On the other hand, professionally installed windows form a tight seal against drafts, preventing heat loss in winter and blocking heat gain in summer. This balance reduces monthly energy expenses and enhances your home's sustainability, a growing priority for today's environmentally conscious buyers. According to energy experts, proper installation can improve efficiency by up to 25%, making it one of the most cost-effective home upgrades in Birmingham. Enhanced comfort and indoor air quality. Improperly installed windows can lead to uneven temperatures, condensation, and moisture intrusion. These issues not only make your home less comfortable but can also lead to mold growth or damage to surrounding walls and insulation. Birmingham's humidity can worsen these problems, especially in older homes with outdated window frames. A correct installation ensures your home maintains consistent indoor temperatures and improved air quality. With a secure seal, dust, allergens, and outdoor pollutants have fewer entry points, giving your living space a cleaner, healthier environment. For families, especially those with allergies or respiratory conditions, this is a key factor in comfort and quality of life. Curb appeal and first impressions. Your windows are one of the most noticeable architectural features of your home. If they're uneven, poorly fitted, or deteriorating, it can drastically affect curb appeal. A professional window installation in Birmingham ensures that each frame is aligned, caulked, and finished perfectly, complementing your home's overall design. Whether you choose classic wood frames for a traditional look or sleek vinyl for a modern edge, properly installed windows enhance your home's visual appeal. And in Birmingham's competitive housing market, curb appeal translates directly into perceived value. Potential buyers often make snap judgments within seconds of arriving. Beautiful, well-fitted windows can make that first impression a winning one. Protection against moisture and structural damage. Rain and humidity are part of life in Birmingham, and water intrusion is one of the biggest threats to home integrity. Incorrectly installed windows can allow water to seep in behind the trim or into wall cavities, leading to rot, mold, and even foundation issues. Over time, these hidden damages can cost homeowners thousands of dollars in repairs. By investing in professional window installation, you ensure your home's exterior remains watertight and durable. Proper flashing, sealing, and caulking techniques prevent moisture infiltration, protecting not only your windows but the structural components of your property. Increased property value and buyer confidence. For Birmingham homeowners considering selling, window quality and installation play a pivotal role in property valuation. Appraisers and potential buyers recognize the difference between new windows installed by professionals and rushed DIY jobs. A well-executed installation signals that the home has been carefully maintained, while energy-efficient, properly fitted windows can be a major selling point. In fact, industry studies show that homeowners can recoup up to 70% of the cost of new window installations in increased resale value. Buyers are willing to pay more for homes that promise long-term energy savings, comfort, and minimal maintenance, advantages that start with proper installation. Final thoughts. In Birmingham's dynamic real estate market, every improvement counts, but few upgrades offer the combined benefits of comfort, efficiency, protection, and value like proper window installation. Whether you're upgrading for personal enjoyment or preparing to sell, investing in professional window installation ensures your home not only looks its best but performs at its peak. When done right, your windows won't just frame the view, They'll frame your home's future value.